In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed ClickUp in Notion. By the end, you'll have your ClickUp work visible right inside a Notion page, so you can keep everything in one place without constantly switching tabs. Start in ClickUp. Head to your workspace overview so you can see your spaces and lists at a glance. Open the specific project or list you want to display in Notion. This ensures you're embedding a focused view, not your entire workspace. Once you're looking at the right project or list, find the three-dot menu in the top area of that view. Click it to open the options, then choose Sharing and Permissions. This is where you control how the link to this view behaves. In that panel, click Copy Link. That copies a shareable link to the exact ClickUp view you're on. Quick tip, if your team uses strict permissions, make sure the people who will view this in Notion also have access in ClickUp. Otherwise, they may see a login prompt or a blank embed. If you get an error later, revisit this Sharing and Permissions area to verify the link and its access settings. Now switch over to Notion. Create a new database page where you want the embed to live. If you already have a page ready, that works too. The embed can go anywhere. Click into the page, press the / on your keyboard, then start typing EMB. Choose Embed from the menu. This adds an embed block to your page and opens a field for a link. Paste the ClickUp link you copied a moment ago into the embed field. Double check that it's the correct view. If you copied it while looking at the wrong list, you'll embed the wrong thing. When the link looks good, click Embed Link. Notion will load a live interactive view of your ClickUp project or list right in the page. Depending on your access, you may be prompted to sign in to ClickUp the first time, which is normal. Once it appears, you can resize the embed by dragging its edges and place it exactly where you want on the page. If Notion says the site can't be embedded, it usually means the link isn't publicly shareable or requires permissions that the current viewer doesn't have. Go back to ClickUp's Sharing and Permissions to adjust as needed. That's it. Copy the link from the ClickUp view via the three-dot menu and Sharing and Permissions, then embed that link in Notion using the / command and the embed option. Enjoy a streamlined workflow with your tasks and notes in one central hub.